Today I will show you how to customize the appearance settings inside Google Chrome on your PC. First I opened Google Chrome from my desktop. Then I clicked on the three dots in the top right corner and selected Settings from the menu. Once the setting page opened, I clicked on Appearance in the left side panel. A new section appeared where we can fully customize Chrome. I started with the theme option. When I clicked it, a panel opened on the right side where I tried switching between light and dark mode. After testing both, I closed the panel. Next, I clicked on Customize Toolbar. A side panel opened with many options such as Home, Forward, New, Incognito, and more. I turned these options on and off one by one to show where they appear on the Chrome toolbar. From all the options, I decided to enable the Delete Browsing Data shortcut. After selecting it, I closed the panel. Now the delete icon appeared on my Chrome toolbar, so I clicked it. A pop-up opened to clear browsing data and I pressed the delete button to confirm. After that, I returned to the appearance section from the left panel. Scrolling down, I reached the font size setting. Here you can adjust the text size according to your preference. Below that, there was the page zoom option. You can choose how zoomed in you want your web page to be. To show another way to zoom, I click on three dots again and use the zoom control directly from the Chrome menu. The default zoom is 100%, but I increase it all the way to 250% to demonstrate the difference. Then I just type in the Google search bar. Open the first YouTube channel link and zoom the page in and out to show you how it affects the layout clearly. This is how you can completely customize the appearance of Google Chrome to match your style and comfort. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more helpful Chrome tutorials.